In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of a featured collection not appearing on your Shopify store. If you're a Shopify store owner, you know how important it is to showcase your best products effectively. A featured collection is a great way to highlight these products, making it easier for customers to discover them. So, let's dive in and get your featured collection back up and running smoothly. First, we want to ensure that our featured collection has actually been set up correctly. Go to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, navigate to the Products section and then click on Collections. Here, you should see a list of your collections. Find the one you'd like to feature. Make sure it contains the products you want to display and that these products are active. If your collection is empty or the products are not set to active, they won't appear on your storefront. So, double-check this step to make sure everything is correctly configured. Next, let's verify that your online store is set to show this collection. Head over to the Online Store section in your dashboard. Then click on Themes, where you can customize the settings of your current theme. Click on the Customize button and you'll be taken to your theme editor. Here, you can see various sections which organize the display of elements on your website. Look for the section labeled Home Page or the equivalent section where you intend your collection to be displayed. Ensure that the collection you want to feature is selected. If it's not, you can add or change the collection by selecting it from the available list. Now, let's see if any coding issues might be preventing the collection from appearing. Go back to your Themes section again, and this time click on Actions next to your current theme. From the drop-down menu, select Edit Code. Be sure to back up your theme files before making any changes here simply because coding errors can sometimes have larger unintended consequences. Once you're ready, look for the Sections folder and locate the Featured Collection.liquid or similarly named file. Check this file to confirm the appropriate code for displaying collections is in place. If you're not familiar with coding, you might want to get professional help for this step. Lastly, sometimes it's just a simple cache issue. Try clearing your browser cache and refresh your store's home page. Alternatively, use a different browser or incognito mode to see if the collection appears. These steps can sometimes resolve display issues that can seem unconnected or random. If, after all, these steps, your featured collection still isn't showing, consider reaching out to Shopify support for more personalized assistance. They can provide guidance specific to your store setup. I hope this walkthrough has helped you diagnose and fix the issues so that you can effectively showcase your products and maximize your sales potential. Thank you for watching, and good luck!